now we have another guest on stage.
Who
Yes.
couldn't come before, but he is now here. And so we invite on the stage Director of Latvian Tourism Development Agency, Mr. Armand Šlokambergs.
Thank you. We have some kind of special relationship here because we always meet and talk some stories. And I guess that's the time to tell some story. When it's 10 years for the business, usually you think that that's kind of kids' time or getting to the teenage. I would say if business is like tourism or travel, it's more like relationship. I would say it's more like 10 years in marriage. And after 10 years, it's kind of getting a bit boring. It's kind of, you know, all this stuff. And flames are not so light and hot. But what I wish, and traditionally, of course, you would like to say good business and so on and so forth. But I would wish something even more important, that next 10 years is the sweetest ones. And please, have the same fun, let the flames burn, and have, you know, spirit for your business even more than first 10 years.
Thank you.